Hello friends, welcome to Global Market and Commodity Discussion with SD. मैं हूं SD शानंद उदास, multi-asset trading and investment specialist. Before I move to the discussion, I would like to take you to my website. And in my website, I would like to highlight the latest Sunday stock store, which some of you might have joined. We started discussing money management models part 1, and the recording is currently available for free for public viewing in my YouTube channel for 48 hours. After that, it will go under YouTube membership. So don't miss out your chance if you have not seen the video yet. So now let's get back to the discussion. In this video, I'm going to take a look at how the overall asset class has done, different asset class, equity, commodity, and foreign exchange. Let's look at the stock market first. In the stock market, the top performer this week among the main important indexes is the Korean stock index, KOSPI. South Korean stock index is up 48% this week. Awesome move, followed by South Africa MSCI, then Vietnam. If you want, you can invest in some of those markets. Like South Korea, if you want to invest, you can invest. Let me show you the ETF. You have to just go here and type iShares. If you don't know the name of the ETF, which is very difficult to remember कि मुझे भी कभी कभी याद नहीं रहता, तो आप सिंपल जाओ iShares टाइप करो और कंट्री का नाम टाइप करो. सो iShares साउथ कोरिया, यहाँ पे ETF, और यहाँ पे सिंस हम लोग स्टॉक की बात कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा लॉन्ग टर्म चार्ट बेहतर होता है स्टॉक के लिए. And we use, this is what you can see. Awesome move has happened in South Korean index, up 48%. So EWY एक exchange traded fund है जिसके जरिए we could invest in South Korean ETF यानी index. Let's get back and have a quick look what happened of the rest of the Hong Kong. यहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट किया जा सकता है इंडिया से Hang Seng T's के जरिए. That is indicator Chinese market. SOX is the semiconductor index, so semiconductors are up almost 29%. Hong Kong is up 26%. Singapore is up 23% almost. Germany has done well, it is up 21%. Toronto Stock Exchange, that is Canada, has done 20% plus. Nikkei, yani Japan, has done 20% plus. Bovespa, yani Brazil, has done about 17%. Taiwan stock market has done 16.5%. UK, yani London or United Kingdom, has done about 15%. Nasdaq slightly lower than 15. Shanghai Composite, which is main China's index, is up 14.75. Russian stock market is up 12.4%. US benchmark S&P is up 11%, whereas Indian market, the Sensex, is up only 5%. So this year, so far, I'll say we have not done well in terms of the equity market. बट कल का जो वीडियो था मेरा, जो मैंने हाईलाइट किया मनी मैनेजमेंट मॉडल्स, उसमें फर्स्ट पार्ट आई लुक एट द करंट मार्केट कंडीशन. I'll say I'm seeing a bit of strength come back in Nifty in the more long-term chart. This could be in anticipation of the trade agreement with the US. Removal of tariff could be after the trade agreement. So I'm seeing once again after quite a long time कि पूरा एक साल बाद almost थोड़ा strength दिख रहा है in the monthly chart. So upcoming days could be better for the Indian market. So this year, the awesome performance so far came from South Korea, Vietnam, Hang Seng, Semiconductor Index, and South Africa. And the worst performer has been so far Turkey. Marvel is about Argentina, and Malaysian Index, Thailand, they have not done so well. After taking a look at the individual index, let's look at the which currency did the best. It is the Russian ruble. Russian ruble is currently backed by support of gold. So Russian ruble has significantly outperformed. It is up 39%. Some of the European currency like Hungarian forint, Swiss franc, euro, they have done pretty well, up 12, 13 and 15%. I've invested in euro. We can do it via ETF, exchange traded fund. Whereas Indian rupee turned out to be one of the worst performer in the group, down 3.5%. The worst in the group is Argentinian peso, which is down about minus 27%. So as I'll say, we have not done well. If I take an account of the currency in dollar terms, Sensex is up about just 1.5%. Whereas if I take the ruble appreciation into account, then the Russian market is one of the best performer. It is up 53%. Now we'll take a quick look at the commodities. This year, very early also, those who have been watching, I've highlighted platinum. Platinum has turned out to be one of the best performer, up 82% plus this year. Silver is up 68%, the second in rank. Palladium, this was also highlighted by me in my previous discussions. Palladium is up 63%. Gold is up 54%. Then we have feed cattle that is up 42%. Copper is up 27%. Live cattle का demand आते हुए दिख रहा है 25% up. Lean hogs यानी pork, they are up 19%. Lumber, that is up 11%, will be contributing to US housing cost, whereas many others, especially the agricultural commodities, have not done well. Worst performer has been orange juice and cocoa. This is the positive news for chocolate companies that the chocolate main ingredient cocoa price गिर चुका है about almost 50%. Or this year has been the year of the metals, especially the precious metals. Precious metal में देखिए mainly तीन हम लोग पकड़ते हैं, that is platinum, gold, silver, कभी-कभी palladium को लिया जाता है. So all these four are the top performers. So best this year has been investing in the precious metal pack and on the stock side South Korean index. ना कमोडिटी के बारे में चलिए थोड़ा कमोडिटी का चार्ट डिटेल में देखते हैं क्या सिचुएशन चल रहा है इन द कमोडिटीज. So first I'm taking a look at the international market. So I'll have to connect all these. They were not connected, I guess. So gold mini lot of alert has come. Since I'm moving to different charts, all the alerts are coming. So let me take a look at the इंटरनेशनल गोल्ड को कंसल्ट करना अच्छा होता है ट्रेडिंग के लिए. डेली चार्ट स्टेडीली बुलिश, वे मोर बुलिश देन आई हैड एंटिसिपेटेड. एक अच्छा करेक्शन होने से सिचुएशन बेहतर होता है, बट इट हैज बीन अ स्टेडी एंड ऑसम मूव इन गोल्ड. Gold, however, this is the gold mini chart. This is after a slight correction. Gold has once again gone up. Last week with this sell signal, I did some quick selling in gold. It did not yielded much. ज़्यादा कुछ आया नहीं with the selling. And now once again, the buying is back in the gold mini chart as well. So I remain broadly bullish in the gold, but I'm becoming a bit nervous. जब भी एक-sided sentiment हो जाता है, तो we are in a severe situation कि central banks and countries का trust चला जा रहा है on dollar as a storage of value, not as a transaction currency, but as a storage of value. वो faith चला जा रहा है, and that is one of the reason gold is up significantly. It is working as a main safe haven asset. So gold steadily going up, no stoppage whatsoever. International gold chart अगर हम लोग 2 hourly chart देखेंगे, फ्राइडे रात से, फ्राइडे इवनिंग से ही कमबैक चालू हो गया था. इवन दो इंडियन मार्केट में देखिए कमबैक आज दिख रहा है, बट इसीलिए बोलता हूँ इंटरनेशनल चार्ट कंसल्ट करना बेहतर होता है. इट केम बैक फ्रॉम फ्राइडे इवनिंग एज वेल. ये रहा फ्राइडे, देखिए बुलिश कमबैक चालू हो गया था 5:30, 7:30, 8, अबाउट 9-10 ओ क्लॉक से, एंड इट फर्दर कंटिन्यू हो रहा है. कहां तक कंटिन्यू होगा नोबडी नोस, बट गोल्ड रिमेन्स एक्सट्रीमली बुलिश. And with my practical experience with the selling, I can say the selling is not working so hot at the moment. And largely buyers are simply, every drop, gold is being absorbed. So steady rise दिख रहा है गोल्ड में. बुलिश गेम खेलना ही सही रहेगा गोल्ड में. So I'm playing the bullish, 93% win probability with the buyers. Where a small short position did not yield much. I'm back with the more bullish position. And now let's see how the gold moves. Now it's the silver. Steady daily chart, international silver, steady up move. कोई भी correction का signal नहीं दे रहा है. 68% up this week. This is silver mini. इंडिया में मार्जिनल करेक्शन के बाद सिल्वर इज बैक इनटू स्ट्रेंथ. एक मार्जिनल करेक्शन हुआ, देन सिल्वर इज फुल्ली बैक इनटू स्ट्रेंथ. आप 153,694 के ऊपर फिर से बुलिश पोजीशन ऐड कर सकते हैं. यू प्लेस एन अलर्ट लाइक दिस, गो टू ट्रेडिंग व्यू जस्ट द वे आई हैव शोन. उस तरीके से अलर्ट लगाइए, फर्दर क्वांटिटी ऐड किया जा सकता है. इट इज सुपर बुलिश silver as well. इंटरनेशनल चार्ट से मोर क्लियर पिक्चर मिल जा रहा है कि सिल्वर इज वेरी वेरी मच बुलिश. 93% विन प्रोबेबिलिटी. क्रूड ऑयल इज मोर ऑफ अ बियरिश. सेल ट्रेडिंग का चांस विन इज 61%. थोड़ा रेंजिश के अंदर बियरिश प्रेशर ज्यादा है इन द क्रूड ऑयल, यू कैन सी, बट लॉट ऑफ सपोर्ट. तो मुझे लग रहा है क्रूड इज मोर रेंज बाउंड देन एक्चुअल बियरिश. और 2 आवर चार्ट में क्रूड ऑयल में मुझे करेक्शन होते हुए दिख रहा है. दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रीन सॉक्स इन माय सेटअप. दिस सेटअप इज माय क्रिएशन. मैं इसी के बेसिस पे ट्रेड करता हूं. सो वंस द प्राइस एक्शन टर्न्स बियरिश, इट विल बी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी शॉट. या तो कमबैक के लिए, बाय करने के लिए आई नीड द सपोर्ट ऑफ अ फुल ग्रीन कैंडल. सो करंटली वेट आउट करना बेहतर होगा इन द सिल्वर स्पेस, सॉरी द क्रूड ऑयल. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू द नेचुरल गैस. नेचुरल गैस लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने हाईलाइट किया था कि प्राइस कैन कम बैक टुवर्ड्स दिस लेवल. इट डिड कम बैक. सेल सिग्नल तो जरूर है, बट व्हाइट क्रॉस आउटसाइड द बॉडी which is signaling कि उतना शायद selling pressure strong नहीं है. The candle may not be as bearish as it seems. White cross serves as a warning. Sell trade का win probability is around 43%. Consolidation होने का chance भी 43%. So I think natural gas में मुझे लग रहा है कि ज्यादा chance है कि consolidation होगा. करंटली एक करेक्शन होते हुए दिख रहा है द ऑपोजिट साइड. सो फर्दर पोजीशन के लिए आइदर हमें बुलिश टर्न का इंतजार करना पड़ेगा, या तो प्राइस एक्शन बियरिश के साथ ये अलर्ट लगाइए, प्राइस एक्शन बियरिश, फिर से हम लोग बेचने की सोच सकते हैं. अ क्विक लुक डालेंगे टुवर्ड्स द बेस मेटल इन द डेली चार्ट मोर. So daily chart में I can see aluminium undergoing a correction even though it is up today. Copper, it is undergoing a correction even though it is up today. We don't have a full green candle. Zinc is undergoing a correction even though it is up today. So no clear cut position in the base metal, but precious metal जो है super strong है. और वीकली चार्ट अगर देखा जाए कि गोल्ड सिल्वर, लेट्स लुक एट द गोल्ड सिल्वर वीकली चार्ट. there is no reason for exit. Awesome movement चल रहा है on the upside. So आप अगर invested हो gold में like gold B, sovereign gold bond, you should continue with the position. ये जो 2 hour chart का हम लोग discuss कर रहे हैं, it is about MCX futures trading, which is to be done in the more short term chart, not in the long term charts. Long term charts are for investment into gold and silver, which so far seems to be very, very bullish. So that's all, friends. A quick look at the global market in the month of October. We took a look at the cash assets, the currency, stock assets, the growth assets, yani stocks, and commodity asset. And we saw the precious metals are one of the best performer, outperforming the return of the stock market. So that's about it, friends. All the best to you from my side, to your trading and investing. And as always, happy trading.